In 2019, Lionel Messi became the highest paid athlete in the world. In 12 months, he made $127 million according to Forbes. Hello there, and welcome to the Luxury Wealth. Here we dive into the luxuries of the richest people, places and things on God's green earth. In this video we are going to take a look at the things Lionel Messi, arguably the greatest footballer in the world depending on who you ask, buys with his millions of pounds. But first, go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment on 7 things you would buy if you made £127 million this year. Lionel Messi has an estimated net worth of £309 million, that's $400 million. These figures are not exact as his business ventures are not publicized. Forbes ranked Messi first among athletes on their list of the highest 100 earning celebrities of 2019, putting his income for the year at $127 million, that's £98 million, and 4th overall, making him the best earning footballer and athlete in the world. He was $18 million ahead of Ronaldo and $22 million ahead of Neymar, the next athlete on the list. He makes £500,000 a week from his latest contract with Barcelona and has a lifetime Addidas contract that pays him roughly $12 million annually, as well as sponsorship deals with Pepsi, Gatorade, MasterCard, Huawei, the phone company, Gillette, Turkish Airlines, Ooredoo, a Qatar telecommunications company, Lay's, Dubai Expo, Hawkers, a Spanish sunglasses company, watchmakers Jacob & Co, and I'm sure a few others too. So, how is all of this wealth used? Well, Lionel Messi has invested some of his wealth into properties around his hometown of Rosario in Argentina. For example, he has put money into Azhares del Parana project, a set of gated communities out of the city, as well as apartment buildings in the city centre. There's almost certainly much more than that, but as tends to be the case with Messi, it is kept pretty private. Also, he spends his wealth on charity organisations he trusts and has created his own foundation known as the Leo Messi Foundation, which he asked for donations to instead of wedding gifts when he married his long-term partner Antonella Racusa. He is also an ambassador of UNICEF charity. Messi lives in a house in Castelldefels, a mountain village just outside of Barcelona. The house has a garden, a swimming pool and a football pitch. In 2013, the neighbours were apparently struggling for money, so rented out the rooms in their house. However, the new tenants were nosy, rude and often played loud music, disturbing Messi and his family. At first, Messi tried building a wall in between the two houses, however the neighbours threatened legal action, so instead he bought them out so he could be alone. Today, the neighbourhood of Bellamar has houses marked at an average price of $6 million, and the one belonging to Lionel Messi is currently priced at approximately $7 million. Back in 2009, Messi bought the house for $2 million and spent millions of dollars renovating and adapting his abode to his liking. He still owns and maintains his childhood home in Argentina, even though no one lives there anymore. In terms of automobiles, Messi has a fleet of Audis ranging from the RS6, the Q7, the A7 and the Audi R8 V10 Spider. However, these cars were most likely given to him and his team. FC Barcelona had an Audi sponsorship, but that deal came to an end in 2019 and it seemed like all the players had been ordered to give the cars back to Audi. However, Lionel Messi still owns a whole host of other cars. He also owns the Maserati Gran Turismo MC Stradale, which is often a forgotten supercar but with a screaming 4.7 litre naturally aspirated V8, producing a decent 460 horsepower. It definitely has the engine to keep up with the Ferraris of the day. Not only that, but he also has the Ferrari F430 Spider, the Mercedes SLS AMG, the Pagani Zonda Tricolor, the Ferrari 335S Spider Scaglietti, where Messi managed to outbid his rivals, notably Cristiano Ronaldo, at a car auction for a beautiful Ferrari 335 Spider Scaglietti. The reported figure was just under $36 million, making it by far the most expensive car in the footballer's garage. From his Instagram photos, he does enjoy a vacation in beautiful locations now and then, and you can expect him travelling in a private jet or in business class for free due to his personal and club sponsorships with airlines. In the summer of 2016, Messi spent 7,800 euros per day to vacation in Ibiza on a yacht. One dedicated fan swam half a mile to greet him. Totally worth it. Messi owns a $15 million luxury private jet, a 2004 Gulfstream 5, which he bought for his family to travel to and from Europe to South America. The plane seats 16 people and also features 2 kitchens and 2 bathrooms, one which includes a shower. Personal touches include the number 10 featured on the plane tail, as well as his children's names on each of the plane steps. Messi also made headlines in 2016 when he found guilty of tax fraud, which he was ordered to pay $250,000 in fine. He must have also paid a lot of money in lawyer fees as well. We do get the occasional glimpse of his lavish side, like when he wore the Dolce & Gabbana black silk tuxedo with polka dots to an award ceremony. Not only that, but Messi collaborated with his watch sponsor Jacob & Co. to launch his own line of watches called Jacob & Messi. The line included a $150,000 diamond encrusted timepiece. Messi also spends money on tattoos. Currently, he has 18 different tattoos on his body. Messi launched his own 42,000 square meter theme park in Nanjing, China called the Messi Experience Park. This is how arguably the most talented footballer in history spends his wealth. This is definitely not everything Messi spends his wealth on, as he is a very private individual. I'm sure he buys expensive toys and jewelry for his family, but if you made $127 million, what are 7 things you would buy? Leave a list in the comment section below. I will be reading your answers. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I hope to see you in the next video.